Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your image with Windows 10 and Windows 11. These steps are very easily. You simply follow these simple steps. You can easily edit your or crop your images. Just click on this image. I'm going to crop this image and here is the edit button. Click on this edit and here we have a crop button. This is the crop button and these are the other filters we can use. And for this you simply drag this. I only want this part from here, simply drag from here to here. And again I just want this, simply drag from here to here. If you want to crop from the bottom you can also do this, and also from the top. So just save. These are two different options, save as a copy and just save as. So I'm going to save this as a copy and simply go to the desktop and just save as a copy. And here, this is our image. I can crop easily with Windows 10 and 11. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.